Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. And in this short video, I am going to show you a super easy way to make a video like audio library online in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the search engine and type onemaker.io in the search bar and hit enter. This is the onemaker.io's welcome page. Here you will see multiple tabs like free projects, logos and intros, music visualizer, podcast, audiogram and slideshow category. Click the music visualizer category on the top. You can also sort by free, newest, most popular and most viewed. I will select the free one. Here you will find different types of templates. To jump on next page, click on page number 2 and scroll down to see more templates. Select any one and start to customize. I like this one because it looks like the audio library project. This is Onemaker editor page. Here you can customize your whole template, like text, images, color, and different video resolution sizes for your social and personal use. So let's start with the text. I will change text here with audio library. To change the font, click here. To change color, click here. I will use the default color. To upload background image, click on upload photo 1, select your photo, and open it. You can adjust it through the scale slider, then hit on the crop. To see more settings, click on the advanced setting. To upload music, click on upload audio. Select your audio and upload it. To change waveform color 1, click here and select your color. To change waveform color 2, click here. To change waveform color 3, click here. To see the color palette, click on the plus icon and select your color. To change the waveform color 4, click here. You can change different video resolution from here. Then hit on export and update video. Your video is rendering for final output. To make HD video, click on make free HD video. To change or edit something, click on back to edit. To download low resolution video, click on download low resolution. I will make HD video, so click on make free HD video. This is our sign up page. You can simply sign up here without entering your bank or card details and get 15 days free trial to enhance your creativity. Our HD video render has been started. To upgrade your plan, click here. Select among our yearly, monthly or lifetime plans at very reasonable prices. To download HD video, click on the download icon. Your HD video downloading is started. So that's how to make a video like audio library online with Onemaker.io. And if you really want some more easy to follow editing tutorials just like this, make sure you subscribe our channel and I'll see you soon in the next video.